Now to fit those pads back in, you're gonna have to mash your piston, or in my case, your two pistons back. And the easiest way to do that is use your old brake pad. You can flip it over any kind of way you want and use that to use your channel locks. Or I've got these. They work really good because they're multi-link. Magnify my gripping force to squeeze those back in slowly so that I have more space for the new pads, which are going to be a little bit thicker. So I'm going to go ahead and mash that in there real quick. See, like that. Now as for brakes, I went with Wagner OEX, Federal-Mogul, like Moog, Precision, same company. I went with these. They sell these at, I think, Napa, CarQuest. I got these at O'Reilly Auto Parts. They're supposed to be better than the factory ones. And if you look here on these DOT part numbers, there'll be a double number, a double letter on the end of a code. The higher the letter, the better the stopping. The first letter is cold braking, and the second letter is after your brake fade. Most of them you'll find are FF or FE. In other words, they do okay, but then they don't do as good when they get hot. These Wagners are actually, as you can see, GG rated, so even when they get hot, they still overperform OEM. And so a lot of your racing pads will be FG or GG. FG would be, they do better once you get them hot on the track. So anyway, yeah, these Wagners are excellent brakes. Good and thick, grooved for gas dissipation. And they've got the shims for the noise reduction and corrosion protection, and the tattletale squealers like they're supposed to. So we're going to slip these back in. I know this sounds dumb, but just remember the curvature of the pad normally, curvature of the rotor right there, see? Boom. You just bolt the caliper back in like normal. Now remember, once you get your new pads in, drive around a little and take it easy. Don't go too hard on them because you want them to bed in and seat first. They'll wear to the shape of the brake rotor surface, and then you won't get hot spots.